Here we are at video 2 of Fresh Start, and I've gone into Amplify Studio. And if you start with your console, if you logged into Amplify your console, you could see all of your apps. I made this F app, F for Fresh or F for Fox. Whatever you want to call it, that's what it is. And if you go into that, you can see you have the backend environment, and then you can go to Amplify Studio through the Actions tab, Launch Studio. I have it launched right here. I'm in my F app, and what you need to do before you start that is you need to go and set up your data. And all I've asked for in the beginning is that you set up a simple model. What's a model? It's an object, a data type, and you just add that. I have my data type is Fox, so I'm going to use capital F Fox for my data type, and I just have some simple fields. I have my ID field, and I'm going to add another one. I have I'm going to call it, I don't want to use the ID. I don't want to use the ID from the database. That's the database ID. I want to use another ID that I set for each Fox. And so I'm going to call it FID, and it's going to be a string. And I want to add another field. It's the name of the Fox. And I want to add a third field, and that's the image of the Fox. So I've got those three things there, and that's all you have to do to set your data up. I do not want you to have homes. You cannot use that example from the previous tutorials. You need to make up your own objects or models for your new app. So we're going to wait for that to finish deploying.